The ZH sound. This sound looks and sounds like this. Zh. It can be used in the middle or at the end of a word. Some examples would be in the middle, usual, and at the end, beige. We do hear this sound in words from France at the beginning, and that would be something like Jacques. The ZH is the same as the SH, but with voicing. To make this consonant sound, your lips are rounded, and your tongue tip is behind the top front teeth, and the middle is arched towards the roof of the mouth. The airflow will continue loudly because your voice is on. Zh. The three mistakes that I see with the ZH sound are, number one, the air changes, and so you'll hear ja instead of ja. Number two, the sound is not voiced, so instead of the word beige, you might hear beige. And number three, the sound is pronounced as it is read. So again, in the case of beige, you would hear beg. Listen, watch, and practice these words with me. ZH in the middle of a word. Fusion, version, vision, decision, treasure. And in sentences, the restaurant serves French-Asian fusion. Use version 2.0. This concludes the ZH section.